back, guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this one. This one is the 6x 18650 lithium ion power bank case. So I show you guys previous on the videos that how I break the notebook battery apart and then remove those battery and make sure you test out and charge it, have a good voltage before you put it in this case. So let's go ahead and unwrap this again. So again, this one is a baby blue color again. Come with this Ziploc bag. And don't forget to put this black smoke lens onto here. And be sure you take out those double-sided tape. It is in the middle section as well, so be sure to remove it, or else if you forgot to remove it, you're not going to see the digital display through it. Okay? The reason I got this one again because I could charge it with the solar panel, and then this one is also charge your device at the same time. So if you go out camping or whatever, and then I'm pretty sure this one's going to last a long time because I've been using it, and then it lasts for a while. So here is some of the case that I built. So this is like a, for example, you break the battery apart. And as you can see, I revived one of this battery. It was totally dead. So I have a video on that as well. You can go search it under my channel. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry, this is an 8 cell. My bad. The other one is 6 cell. This does not last too long, although it still works. And this is with the digital display readout. As you can see, it still shows 100%. Unfortunately, this is the one that I built, and then it shows 99%. So I was kind of rushed through it, and I didn't test out all the battery. And then once you charge it, you want to go ahead and then make sure it is fully charged. So it's like every time it charges up to 100%, and after a couple of days, I press to check the battery level. It shows only 99%. So as you can see, this one I'm still testing out, make sure all the batteries are still good. And it's been here for almost a couple of weeks already, and it still shows 100%. So this is original, the first one that I got. At first I liked the digital LCD real, but unfortunately if you turn this in like a different angle, for example like this, it seems like the screen is like a blank. And this one, when I charge it, you cannot charge. I mean, when I try to charge this power bank, you cannot charge your device at the same time. So although this one has 8 cells, so it will take a little bit longer time for you to charge it fully. That's why they have 2 of this micro USB. So if you have 2 of those adapters, you can just plug it in, so you charge this power bank faster. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below if you guys have any question. And you might want to put the tape right here, because this positive terminal, it is too close to the battery. The battery on the outer layer, it is negative. So you don't want to short it. It is very dangerous if you don't put like a black wire tape around here, because if you keep on moving this, rocking back and forth, and it's gonna rub off that or give it like a short circuit, and your battery pack might explode or caught in fire. So it's very dangerous. So that's just give you guys a tips on that. And be sure to put out the black wire tape all around it. You might want to give like a couple layer. On mine, I think I put like 2 layers, and also on the top here as well. If you don't do that, you move the battery pack, it's gonna rock, making like noisy when your battery is hitting against the case, because it is loose. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.